Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Also, we do a bunch of property home tours. We educate a lot of our clients on how to purchase a home and how to transition from one state to another, and we help you by doing a smooth transition. If you have to sell your home, we can help you to do that. If you're looking to buy an investment, if you're looking to do a 1031 exchange, we do all that. Now, everybody has their own circumstances when it comes to financing, right? You can't just go out there and just get financing and buy a home. It doesn't work that easy. It comes down to debt to income ratio. Everybody has their own situations. You know, we will put the pieces together like a puzzle. Now we have a picture. We got that roadmap. I'll tell you exactly how to execute and streamline your transaction. So this is a modern single-story home by D.R. Horton. I'm here in the north side of the Las Vegas Valley. So the name of this neighborhood is called the Heartland Manor. Okay, as you can see, this is a 3-car garage. It's more of a modern style. Now, this property features 2,538 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. Right, base price starting off at $566,000. So one thing I've noticed here, we have a nice keypad here. Some of these keypads, believe it or not, you can actually connect this with your Wi-Fi, right? I'm sorry, not with your Wi-Fi, but with your panel, alarm panel, okay? Depending on the type of alarm panel that you have. Okay, so as we come in, first thing I noticed, we have 9-foot ceilings. We have some bedrooms in the front here, 1 and 2. Here, what do we have? Laundry room. Then we have our main living room here, but I'm gonna start here in the front. So we have 6'8" on the door coming into the bedroom. Pretty decent size bedroom. Not bad. Pretty much all stock and standard. What you're going to see about D.R. Horton, all the materials, all the product is the same. What they do is, you know, when they build their homes, they're buying product in bulk, which allows them to get cheaper products, which they can pass the cost off to you. That's why you've noticed that the pricing is pretty low. It's not as high, but also you're not getting top-notch grade stuff. So that's also something that you do need to keep in mind. Now, give me just a second. I'm gonna rock these pimp glasses right here. These are pretty gangsta. They're almost like goggles. Look at that. What do you guys think? Should I be rocking this? My new reading glasses? This is kind of cool. Sorry guys, sometimes I get sidetracked. Alright, we're just having a little bit of fun with this, alright? Don't take things so damn personally. Alright, so let's take a look at this bathroom. So the 2 bedrooms are going to share this bathroom right here. This one is a pretty large bathroom. I do like this. Tub shower combo here. You already know Moen is the supplier for the faucets. All the same. It's all the same. I'm not excited about anything. Sorry to say that. Laundry room coming in. What do we got here? Oh, you have an option for the sink, but it looks like you gotta get your own sink. Washer dryer not included. However, you can always buy one through them. You're probably gonna pay about like $350 more for them to install it, right? That's their markup. But hey, sometimes is it worth for you to go shop around and go do all that on your own? Probably not, because time is money. So here's the main floor plan here, the center of the house. One thing I've noticed is that what's killing this deal for me is the designer. I don't like the color combo. I feel like they should have made this more modern, and I want to knock the designer here with the colors. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Am I being too harsh? What's your thoughts? Okay. A little bit different here. Now I noticed one thing. The AC here is cooler. It's blowing harder out of this supply line. What does this tell me? It tells me that each room is not equally balanced. Okay. I used to do air conditioning work for a living at one point in my career. Used to do installation. And basically this is just how it works, honestly. You have the supply line, and that's what we call the supply line. That's where it blows all the cold air. So each house, right, you have a different square footage. The goal is to supply air to every single room, every living space with the equal amount of pressure and also the equal amount of cold air flowing through it. Okay? The pressure part is this. When you have a supply line, each can is a different can. You can have a 6-inch can, you can have a 9-inch can, a 12-inch can. Okay? The bigger the can, you're pushing more air through, but the smaller the can, right, you're pushing less air through, right? So each room has a certain square footage. Based upon that square footage, you need a certain can size for air flow. Also, you need to find out where the hottest point of that room is to supply that air flow. So that way, the hottest point cools down and it allows it to cool down equally. Also, the distance of that ductwork, okay, as the air is flowing through, the longer the ductwork, you are slowing down the airflow. So there's so many compensating factors when it comes to air conditioning work. Now, there used to be a diagram where we would run the numbers, and I would do this all the time when I used to do the installation. I go into a room, measure out the room, see where the sun rises, see where the sun sets, look at where all the windows are at, okay? Each can supplies so much airflow. What's the distance of that ductwork from that AC unit? So these are all the things that you look at. So, like this, let me give you an example. We have the window here. This home, the backside is facing south. Sun sets and rises here. You have the window here. You have two supply lines here. This is going to be your hottest point of the room. Okay? Also, depending on the type of insulation, you've got the R15 along this wall. Okay? It's blowing down, pushing it this way. Okay? Then, where do you put your return line? You put your return line here. It's sucking it out this way. You got your thermostat. So there's so much things that are involved when it comes to an AC unit that people are just not aware of. And sometimes I can walk into a home and like, that's not right. They just slapped that shit in. Reason why they probably put it there because there was some sort of stud, something blocked it, so they decided to move it. You as a consumer, you're not going to know this. But I can tell you, this room right here is equally balanced because I could feel it. And I can already just tell what they did by that lineup, okay? So that's well designed right there. So we have a closet here and a closet here. So we have a hers and a hers. Not bad. What do we have here? Water closet. Okay. Nothing special with that. 36-inch cabinet here. Nice granite, standard, stop, everything, cast iron. Fiberglass tub, shower combo. I felt like, you know what, just kind of give that elegant more look. I would have extended this shower a little bit more. However, remember, they're ordering thousands and thousands of these materials and supplies, so it's all the same thing. The only thing that's changing is the floor plan. That's it, folks. Let's go look at this kitchen. Definitely a decent-sized island. But I'm just not liking the color combinations and the design of this home. This home has a lot of potential, but it ain't working for me. You may think I'm being harsh, but I'm being real. Look, man, I'm never gonna bullshit you guys. It's you like me or you don't. It's okay. Not everybody's gonna like me, and I'm okay with that. And the ones that do, that support me, I really, really do appreciate you guys, because honestly, I would not be where I'm at today. Okay? I like that cook countertop though. I don't know, I'm not feeling that backsplash. But anyway. Here, it's gonna be your formal dining room. I think later on what I would do is probably do a slider right here. The good news is that you have that option to do that slide. Also, if you try to do a pocket door, or not a pocket door, but a larger slide on here, like a 12-foot slide, you got to see where the retention for those headers are. Sometimes they could be about 18 inches away from the wall, and typically they are, so that's where you're gonna have a lot of that load bearing. Let's go out here, covered patio. Decent sized backyard, I tell you. Huh, a little windy today. It's about what, 100 something degrees. It's kind of like blowing hot air. It feels like I'm in a blow dryer right now. Oh, they got a carrier unit, which is really nice. Something you definitely need to make sure what type of AC unit you're gonna get. Here we got a gas line off to the left. I definitely would do an outlet up higher. Coax cable, it looks like an outlet here. Reason why I would do 62 inches. Put a flat screen TV, watch some TV out here. You got your grill stub here. Floor plan definitely has a lot of potential. Also, you got the pre-wire for your surround sounds. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Just want to know. All right, folks, be blessed now. Peace. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.